Yesterday, our bot caught a $5.74 profit on Pythusdt in under 7 minutes, and I'm going to break down exactly how it happened, step by step, no fluff. So let's talk about what was going on with PYTH at the time. Pythusdt had been grinding up slightly on the lower time frames, but if you zoomed out, the bigger picture told a different story. Price was sitting in a distribution zone, that area where sellers tend to step in and absorb buying pressure. Volume was thinning out on the upside, meaning buyers weren't really committed. The market structure had started printing lower highs, and momentum was quietly rolling over. This isn't some hindsight analysis. This is exactly the kind of setup our system is trained to identify before the move happens, not after. Now here's what the bot actually saw to pull the trigger. At $0.03908, several conditions aligned at the same time. RSI was showing bearish divergence on the short-term chart. Price made a slightly higher high, but RSI didn't confirm it, which is a classic warning sign. The MACD histogram was flipping negative. And critically, price had just tapped into a resistance level and got rejected hard on the very last candle before entry. That rejection candle, combined with the momentum signals, gave the system enough confluence to say, this is a sell, not a maybe, a confirmed, multi-factor sell signal. The bot entered short at $0.03908 with a pre-calculated take profit and stop loss already baked in before a single second passed. Then came the exit, and this is where it gets interesting. The trade closed at $0.03736, which is a 4.4% move in 399 seconds. That's less than 7 minutes. What happened is the bot hit its first take profit target, TP1, and then price bounced back up enough to tag the stop loss, so the system locked in the gain and got out clean. This is called a TP1 to SL close, and it's actually a healthy outcome. The bot took its profit at the right level, didn't get greedy, and when price came back, the stop loss protected the realized gains. Total captured, $5.74.
Clean.
Mechanical. No drama. Here's the takeaway and why this matters. If you were trading this by gut, you probably would have hesitated at the entry. Is this really going down? Maybe I'll wait. Or you would have panicked and exited too early at $0.03850, leaving most of the move on the table. Or held too long hoping for more and watched price reverse. Human emotion destroys edge. What makes this trade work isn't some magic indicator. It's the fact that a consistent, rules-based system fires the same way every single time.
No second-guessing. No FOMO. No panique.
Just process. And when you stack dozens of these trades a week, the consistency compounds into real results. If you want to see every trade like this in real time, entries, exits, profits, losses, all of it, head over to Vishmaster.live. We post live results transparently.
No cherry-picked screenshots, no fake backtes curves.
Real trades, real numbers, updated as they happen. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next breakdown, and drop a comment below if you want me to explain any part of the system in more detail. See you in the next one.